Hi, Connected Apparel reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in working with them. So I took a look at their website and their online shop, and I liked so many of their things. They sent me something, so let's open this up and see what I got. Oh, look, they sent me a card. Oh, how sweet. I think I know. I think it is a one-shoulder dress that is going to, you know what? I think my husband's going to have to take me somewhere a little nicer than what we had planned for New Year's Eve. Let's try this on. I think we need to find a fancier place to go for New Year's Eve, but this is, or just make another date for someplace fancier. I can think of a few places, but this is definitely being packed for my cruise in March. Oh my, I love it. And when I styled it, I just kept my watch on with a pearl strap, and I like the length. A lot of times dresses are too long on me, but I kind of like where this one is hitting me. What do you think? And these shoes work perfectly. I've had them for a while. And here's the back. What do you think? I love it. They sent me a size 8. I was a little nervous. She said, "What size do you wear?" I said, "Oh, 8 or 10. And she said, "Let's send you an 8. I'm like, but it fits perfectly. I just love it. What do you guys think? Love it, love it, love it.